This will shook them, man. Is that you? Who's that? Sucker?
They're on
I
stock.
think there's. I think that new wave coming.
Yeah,
New wave.
two stalkers.
New wave.
Fuck, new wave. Fuck. We need to.
Okay, just focus on clearing the waves.
Alright, let me
Careful
jump
with
on my.
the with the fucking bad heavies though.
Yeah.
Ow, that's gonna be tough.
He's trying to pick me on the right side.
I'm putting all the abats up on the wall here, so they don't get shot or something.
That's not bow stalker.
There's a Rex on the drop.
There's 2 Rex on the top.
Careful with the heavies. That's so AIDS.
I placed foundations there, but it must have blown them. Or some right fucking game's going, I guess.
Do I yoink this as well? Let's see.
Do I yoink it
No,
for
we-
once?
We need to be on the other side. Anyway. I'll go to the other side.
Do I get it? Don't push it back. Let me yoink it.
Let me get it for once.
Okay, you got it. Did I actually kill it? No, you got it.
I got it. Well, this drop is definitely gone, unless we can clear this fast enough.
We
I'm
got
holding
this,
the other
we got
side off before they get the buff, please.
I
Watch
mean,
out,
we're
Sue,
doing
watch
this for
out, watch
XP
out.
anyways.
He's gonna pick us. So can you shotgun him? Oh, no, there's the heavy's getting eaten. The heavy's getting eaten.
Nice.
Idiots.
I got you shot off once. Be fine though.
Just watch your flag, okay?
Yeah. I'm chilling.
Another wyvern coming in.
Oh wow, that was a nice dodge.
My Giga is about to die here. Like, there's 2
I got one
different
more on
tribes,
me.
man. I'm swearing on my life right now.
There's one more Giga on my Giga if you want it.
Yeah, I'm crying on mine. I'm picked, I'm picked.
Rush him, hands.
I can't, I have no stem and
It's
it's
lagging,
lagging.
it's lagging. Help me, please.
I got you. I got you.
Good shit. I'm just gonna go on the Desmo and start fucking railing these kids.
Yeah.
Where did you
Don't
park
kill all
the
the teams.
Desmos?
Just wait now. Let's see, see them?
I found them, yeah.
Damn, he's insane with the Fambi. Not really, no.
Their turrets are still there.
Stalker's
sadly.
pushing deep, man.
It's struggling, it's very low.
Oh wait, one of the Gigas had the owls on it, by the way.
Star's lagging.
Okay, is this one? Let me check.
After which wave can we stop it? Because this is wave 7, that's the
Yeah,
last
stop
one,
it,
right?
stop it.
I can, there's still 8 more. We have to finish.
Alright, let me find. Where did the other Giga die? I had a bunch of shit on it, I think.
Just
Oh, what's
hold on
this
now.
lag?
So this is Tribe of Rains. Can I just fucking... Let me fucking spyglass. Jesus Christ.
Alright, so Clay, take the Giga on me as well, just in case you need to throw a Giga out.
The front 2 heavies are being broken by a trike.
Yeah, Clay's gonna break soon here. The higher up ones got destroyed as well.
I think one of
got
them did.
destroyed?
Oh, so
No,
that's
there was 4 on
Egirlz, that's
top.
Egirlz.
They both got destroyed on the front. The front.
Yeah,
page.
even the 3 above, they got destroyed as well.
No,
So
there's one more.
okay,
There's one more.
I'm just
There's
gonna
one more.
clip. I'm just gonna clip this shit. That's Egirlz over there shooting us there, and there's this other fucking cunts over here dropping fucking tribal.
Gunshot.
They're
Let them.
teaming.
No, we can finish it